What's up everybody, Devin up here in the back, and today I got the new iPhone SE and we're gonna go over if it's worth getting this, upgrading, and let's go over some budget with it. Let's get started. Hey.
My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
Alright, so here we are, the new iPhone SE. So, who's this for? This is for the freshmen, the new kids at college. This is for y'all. This phone is for y'all. And also, kids, teenagers, entry-level phones for the new users coming into Apple. This is who it's for. So you open it up, you get the USB Type-C charging. No headphones, but this little piece right here is for your SIM card, to place your old SIM card into the new one, if you ever wondered what it was. Alright, so when you first start it up, it's very familiar. It has that old iPhone 8 look. This is for the fans who are fans of the old model. On the back, you know, upgraded camera. You know, this is more of the 10 and up kind of cameras. On the right, you get the power button. On the left, you have this vibrate button right here for vibrate and sound. And you got the volume controls right here. And on the bottom, hey, this is a new thing. See, I'm used to the lightning chargers, but now you have a USB Type-C on an iPhone 8. Like I said, with this, you have the new Touch ID, so it's definitely a throwback to how things used to be. But not only this has Touch ID, this does also has facial recognition, if you would like. So when it comes to the password, not only you can either have 6 passwords, you have the options of doing custom with 4 digits, words, you know, and numbers. When it comes to cloud and backing up data, so not only you can actually bring over data from your old phone, you can actually bring data from a Mac or PC or from an Android phone. This can help you keep your phone up to date. Message an iPhone and FaceTime, it's freaking awesome. You have Siri, you know, Siri is to help to assist you. Screen time, so not only screen time helps you manage your screen time that you look on your phone, it also helps with parental control, as you look right here. You can also use screen time on children devices and set up parental control. So let's say their bedtime coming up or a curfew, you can turn this on. They can't access their phone or specific things, how you want to customize it, and there you go. The parental control is on. And also, this is kind of self-explanatory. Do you want the light or do you want the dark? Me personally, I like the dark. You know, it's helping me with my eyes, so we're gonna go with that. You have the regular standard display or you have the zoom display. Me personally, you can go with the standard, but me, I like the zoom because I like to see things. So here it is zoomed, everything's big, you can see everything. That's pretty much the iPhone SE. So the iPhone SE, what can you really say? It's a standard phone, decent quality photos it can take. You know, not the best, but again, not the worst. Everything is just standard, plain and simple. You have FaceTime, you can FaceTime friends, family members if you want. So let's say you want to speak to somebody from video call, you can do that. Self-explanatory. Mail, you know, check your mail, notes, messages, phone calls, listen to music. And yeah, that's pretty much what the SE is, a basic phone. You can do some things too, you know, you can do some things with it. Search the web, you know. You know, and yeah, you know, in your spare time, you can search the web, you know, look up your favorite sites, you know, like basketball, you know. Poor Zingis. Last but not least, we'll talk about budgeting. Hey, let's get into it. So, if you're a new student, you lost your phone, don't have no phone, you need a new phone. Or you know it, you got an old Android phone, something you're trying to upgrade to an iPhone. Hello, welcome to iPhone. You are, depending on what age you are, you're kind of gonna want something a little bit different, but for budgeting reasons, you came to the right video. Let's just say $200 is your budget, $200, right? So go ahead and get your payment plan. It's gonna be free, $99, because you're gonna pay $0 to get this, okay? You're probably gonna pay $80, because you know 65 plus what, 15 or 20, you're looking at $80, $85 a month, all right? So you got that. And look, you have what's that? It's at 90, you got 110 left, right? What do you want to use it for? You can use that for a case. You can use that for bills, other bills you got. Put it to the side, put the rest of the money into the phone to hurry and pay it off. Do what you want. You will have money left over. Or, like I said, you're in school, you need a phone, you might need a tablet. Go ahead and get an iPad, put that down on your phone bill, on your bill too, put it all together, there you go. So not only you have an iPad, you got a phone, you're ready for school, there you go. Or use that money, that 100 money, for your school, books, supplies, do your thing. Put it towards your car, gas, parking pass, do your thing. So not only you got a new phone, you got some money left over for whatever, you know what I'm saying? Get yourself some clothes. Hey, do your thing. So, you know, it's depending on how you use it. I just said 200. I could have said 500. You could have paid the phone off, which is, please don't do that, okay? That's what a plan is for, okay? Don't spend your money all at one place, okay? Please don't do that. That's how they get you. They want you to do that. So with that being said, I gotta go today. You gotta go today. Hope I helped you out with this video. And then guys, have fun. That's all you gotta do is have fun, enjoy yourself, and I hope that helped you out. I'm out. Peace.